If you search for an email in Outlook and it just spins or it loads but half your results are missing, Microsoft broke this. Between the classic to new Outlook transition and their indexing falling behind, search has been a mess. Good news, 3 fixes, all under 5 minutes, no data loss. Let's get your search working. I fix this daily for hundreds of users in IT. These are the steps that actually work in the order I'd run them. Quick note, there's 2 versions of Outlook right now, the classic and new. We're starting with the classic since that's where this breaks most often. If you're on the new Outlook, timestamps are in the description to skip ahead. And if you haven't restarted Outlook on your computer yet, try that first. First, let's rule out a missing update. Click the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type update. On this menu, click check for updates, or if you see a list of things here, just go ahead and press the install all button. Hit it, let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes before rebooting, and while it does its thing in the background, we can keep going with the next fix. This is the fix Microsoft recommends but buries in their support docs. If you're on a work computer and don't have the admin password, you can skip to the next step in the description. It's more consistent in my testing anyway. Click the search bar at the bottom and type index. Click indexing options. In the window that opens up, click advanced and then hit rebuild and select OK. This tells Windows to throw out the entire search index and build it from scratch. It'll take a little while depending on how much is on your computer, but you can keep working while it runs. Once it's done, try your Outlook search again. This is the fix that works most consistently. We're going to rename Outlook's local data file so it's forced to build a fresh one. Right-click an empty space on your taskbar and select Task Manager. In the search box at the top, type Outlook, and right-click anything on the list and hit End Task until it is clear. Now press Windows key plus R together. In the Run box, type %localappdata%, or you can copy and paste from the description. Click Microsoft, and then scroll down to Outlook. Inside this folder, you'll see a file with your email address. It'll show as an Outlook data file. Right-click it and rename it to something like email.old. If there's 2 of them, you can do the same thing to both. Now open Outlook. It'll rebuild a fresh file and start syncing. Give it a minute or 2 depending on your mailbox size, then try your search. If your search results are showing up, you just fixed it yourself. That's the same process I run on workstations every week. Nice job. If it's still not working, Classic Outlook may have hit its end of life for your version and Microsoft has stopped pushing fixes. At that point, the move is switching to new Outlook. It's faster, actively updated, and the search is more reliable. I have a full walkthrough on making that switch right here and in the description. If you're on new Outlook and search isn't working, start here. Click the gear icon in the top right to open settings. Go to General, then Search. If your search scope is set to all mailboxes, switch it to Current Mailbox. Or the other way around. Close settings and try your search again. Microsoft defaults this in a way that doesn't work for everyone, and there's no warning when it's wrong. If toggling the scope didn't fix it, we'll clear the cache and force a full resync. Close new Outlook completely, press the Windows key plus R, and type %localappdata% Microsoft OLK. And I'll have that to copy and paste in the description as well. Delete everything in this folder. Don't worry, your email is on the server. This just clears the local cache. Reopen Outlook and let it sync. If your search is loading results now, you're good. You just cleared out the problem Microsoft created. If you're still stuck after both of those, it's likely a server-side indexing issue on Microsoft's end, not something on your machine. And if you're in a work environment, this is the point to loop in your IT team. I hope that saved you some time. Drop a comment if you're still stuck. I read every one. And if this fixed it, subscribe so the next person searching for this finds a real answer instead of a 10-minute runaround.